Seeing the natural scene, we become mesmerized. Today, I will see you same kind of natural scene portraying a beautiful picturesque on the roof of the house. Whatever we see around us right from the moment we step out of our house is part of nature. The trees, flowers, landscapes, insects, sunlight, breeze, everything that makes our environment so beautiful and mesmerizing. These are parts of nature. The most important thing for survival given by nature is oxygen. The oxygen that we inhale is given by trees, and carbon dioxide we exhale is getting absorbed by trees. So, truly speaking, planting trees on the roof also can enhance the beauty of environment profoundly. Therefore, we should plant trees, making garden on the roof. To create the serene beauty of nature on the roof of the house.